Okay, so in this session we will discuss how to extract Aadhaar card number from the image. Okay, so we will use the easy OCR, that is the Python object characteristics recognition library. So import CV2, import easy OCR, and PIL we use to show the image, and as well as if you want to visualize, then you need to use Matplotlib. So this is the first we import the libraries, and if and it shows the error, then you need to install pip install easy OCR, and whatever the requirement, please install. I already installed, so that's why I'm not installing the easy OCR. After that, I call the one Aadhaar card image. This is the Aadhaar card image, and I want to extract the Aadhaar card number. Okay, so I given the path and I try to open that particular image. Okay, so now I define the one function, define OCR image, means I will pass the image, then it will go to the reader, easy OCR reader EN, means OCR will read that image, result reader read text, all the text will be read, and all text is equal to result I1 for I in the range of length, means I try to convert this into the list. So if I see, I run this particular code and I want to see all text. What is the all text and what is the at the zeroth location? Okay. So if I run, then actually the GPU is not available. That's why it takes some time. Now you can see these are the means read means that particular thing read by the our this easy OCR, and there I will call this zeroth location, that is nothing but the Aadhaar card number. So here I got the Aadhaar card number of this particular picture. Now the next point means if you can write the some thing, like we know that in the Aadhaar card image, the maximum numeric number is nothing but the Aadhaar card number. So you can use that type of the logic, and you can easily identify the Aadhaar number of any Aadhaar card image. So that's it.